Good morning, Stephanie Kammerman, the Stock Whisperer, here to tell you the whisper of the day. But before we get to today's whisper, you know it, we got to talk about yesterday's whispers. So yesterday, had my eye on two things. The first one was oil, USO. And if you recall, I was bullish above that 20.60 level at about 10:30. Those oil numbers came out, and as you can see, oil just came hammering down. I lost 3 cents on this trade. Got in at 20.61, got out at 58. However, Kent, aka Superman, rocked this on the short side. Fantastic trade, Kent. But we did have some phenomenal trades on oil after the FOMC meeting. You can see that it ripped. When it ripped above 20, so many of my traders were trading it. I picked UWTI. It's one of my favorite day trading stocks. After it started to move up here, had a phenomenal trade here. Wish I held it, but you know, what can you do? Also, I was bearish on IYT, transportations, after FedEx's earnings came out yesterday. And you can see it had a huge drop right at the open. A lot of us were short airlines. I had a great trade on AAL early on in the morning. So we've been doing fantastic in the Java Pit. I just got to give you a quote from one of my new traders, Daryl M. He's been in the room for 3 months, that's it. And he said yesterday, "Hey Stephanie, I've been very selective with my trades, mostly the SPY year to date. I'm up 112% thanks to what I've learned about the dark pool prints here. Thanks again." That's fantastic, Daryl. You know, that's what we do here all day long. We follow the dark pool. We follow where the big guys are buying and selling. A lot of times we see the insider trading. Like yesterday, I posted up that big trade on AT&T. 2 million share trade at 34.74, and look at this thing came down, but we saw the print before the news came out. But the trader of the day yesterday, you guys, goes to Ron, aka the detective. This guy was on fire yesterday. He was trading that UVXY, scaling out of it, I don't know, like 7 times. Couldn't keep up with him. He had a fantastic trade on GLD calls, TLT, the SPY puts. He was just unbelievable. Thank you, Ron, for everything that you call out in the room. We've done so great off of your calls, and we really appreciate them, so keep them coming. All right, so what are we watching today? Well, a lot of us are in this Newmont trade, which has been fantastic. Finally had a great run yesterday. The dollar came slamming down, and that's always good for gold. So I still love Newmont, and I like GDX. This thing is heating up this morning. Look at this, 500,000 shares. I'm bullish above 1920, about 1925. We have this simple 20 moving average, and then it could stall a little bit, pull back, and then there's another great trade to about 1950. So come watch me trade this stock and so many more at the Java Pit Trading Room at www.thestockwhisperer.com. Happy trading, everybody.